Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another opportunity again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you just need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and of course do your own personal research about it. You should practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets, and everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. Okay, in case you are willing to make, if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it's all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator. The market has not really been smooth with boom 1000. Of course, it's been more of an uptrend, but it is trying to break out above this resistance, so it has been moving within the resistance zone and this particular support zone, this region. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so it has been moving within those two regions, and of course giving us profits also, even though the movements were slow. Okay, but at the moment it got to this other support zone, and it had a pullback from there. From here it had a pullback, and of course buying at the moment. If it's unable to go further, it will go back into a sell trend totally, but at the moment this is still buying. At the moment, this might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a sell trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. I love this movement because it went up till it got to this resistance zone, and closed the buy trend around there, and of course started a sell trend around there. You can see the movement was so smooth. Okay, and of course it is still selling at the moment, and of course till it changes the direction of the market. Okay, but this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Crash 1000 had been on a very strong uptrend, just the way you are seeing. It broke out from this particular resistance zone, range around there for a while, but broke out, and it's kept on going up and up, and it is still buying at the moment. So you need to be on the look for that. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 500. It was on uptrend before, but got to this resistance zone, was unable to break out below it, and of course it started a downtrend, even though it is still finding difficult to break out below the support zone. Once it breaks out below the support zone, then it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will try out the resistance zone again before going on with the downtrend. But for now, this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Now let's check out volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It went on uptrend and tried out this resistance zone several times, and it has not been able to break out from there, so it will be going back on downtrend right now. But it's going to sell more once it breaks out below this. Okay, so this is also very important. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. opportunities. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God